Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening an app that supports face tracking stickers. Choose one with real-time tracking. Give the app permission to use your camera and microphone so filters work smoothly. Position yourself about 0.5 to 1 meter from the camera with soft front light. This improves landmark detection. Once done, select the front camera and tap the sticker/filters icon to reveal emoji overlays. Start with a simple emoji, so tracking calibration is quick and reliable. Now apply the emoji by tapping it. This attaches a tracked overlay to your face. You'll see control gestures: pinch to scale, rotate with 2 fingers, and drag to fine-tune placement. These change how the emoji aligns with eyes, nose, or mouth. Make sure to test small head movements so the tracker follows. If the app offers sensitivity or blend settings, lower sensitivity for subtle motion or increase opacity for bold coverage. Once you're satisfied, record a short test clip to confirm alignment. Record your full clip while keeping movements smooth. Pause briefly between expression changes so the tracker repositions. After recording, export at your preferred resolution. Check that audio syncs and the emoji stayed aligned through scene cuts. If the overlay jitters or drifts, make sure lighting is consistent and recalibrate by selecting a simpler emoji or restarting the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if tracking fails, switch to a high-contrast background and increase frontal light. That alone fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.